So this next exercise is going to really incorporate everything we've done so far. It's the arpeggio scale, and it's going to incorporate crossing between notes in the bottom hand, crossing between both hands, and crossing within the top hand between different notes. So I would really encourage you, if you're not feeling comfortable with the material that we've covered up to this point, I'd really encourage you to go back to whatever you're struggling with, really drill that first, get comfortable with that before you approach this exercise, because it is going to be a lot for you all at once if you're not comfortable with all the previous exercises that we've done. So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you at 60 beats per minute. I don't want you to play it with the metronome first. I want you to play it without the metronome first, really slowly at your own pace, and identify if there's any transitions that you're having a hard time with. Go back to the preceding video dealing with that specific transition, flesh that out before you come back, attack this one. Okay? So let me play it for you now. Okay, so once you get to the point where you're able to play that with the metronome and not have many crossing noises in between, if any at all, you've really achieved a lot already. You've really come a long way from where you started. So you should be very proud of yourself. And we're going to get into the next phase of this online course, which is going to be attacking embellishments. So the next video is going to be about the most important embellishment that you're going to have in your piping repertoire. And so I look forward to seeing you there. Good luck attacking this exercise here. We'll see you in the next one.